we're on page 78. And it says other forms of negativity. While the scriptural prohibition against Lashon Hara applies only to speaking about the living, our sages prohibit making slanderous remark about the deceased. It's very interesting, right? So not only about the living, only about deceased, we're not supposed to speak badly, unless, as we said before, it's for constructive purpose. So that's the only exception, right? It is also forbidden to speak negatively about our beloved land, Eretz Israel. So there is maybe a problem with there is a problem with the government. This is bad, but that bad, but it's not the problem with the land itself. It's a problem with some individuals living there, some laws. That's it. Right? As the Torah relates, a generation that merited to be liberated from Egypt spent 40 years in the wilderness and died there because of evil speech concerning the land. See Bamidbar chapters 13 and 14. So they spoke bad about the land, and that's how they were punished. In truth, it is proper to avoid focusing on negative unnecessarily, even when discussing non-sacred objects. Okay. The early commentators tell of the wise man that his students who came upon carcass of the animal. When the students commented of its fall order, the wise man responded, "But see how white are the teeth." So it's from a Talmud. So they say, so they consider some negative bad smell. But this rabbi said, "But look how beautiful the teeth are." Okay. All right.